So I am packed up. We're about to go on a 2-part road trip, me and Babs. She's very hyper, y'all don't mind her. But we're about to head to Augusta. So I am spending the weekend in North Carolina with my family. We'll do introductions and the who's of who and who will be there a little bit later. But first I have to go to Augusta to my mom's house to get my children because they've been with her for the past week at a summer camp. Gave me a little bit of a break. Gave me a chance to clean up a little bit. Anywho, we're heading there. It's about 2 hours away. I don't have a camera mount for my car. I didn't even think about it. So I won't be talking to y'all while I'm driving because I'm not built like that. But yeah, we'll be there shortly and then I will come back and talk to you guys. Oh, and you see this pole back here? Yeah. So of course I have my luggage and all of that, but I also have a lamp. Long story short, I bought a new lamp from Home Depot. Been wanting this floor lamp for a minute, just never took the time to go shop around for one. Found one, and the next day she, while in my room, decides that she's going to chew. Only thing I can think of was that it was storming and probably the lightning shook her a little bit, and she, out of her anxiety, led her to want to chew on something. Because honestly, y'all, she doesn't really chew like that. She is a chewer, but she usually chews on her toys or her bone or whatever. She knows better. So I'm gonna give her a pass for this time, but be a little bit more careful. I was expecting to only be gone for like an hour. Well, I said hour and a half, and it turned into much longer. Me getting my car serviced to get on this road, and by the time I came back, my pole lamp. But my mother said she could probably fix it, so prayers up, because I don't want to spend $50 on something I just spent $50 on, and not even buying another one. It's just replacing the one that I just bought. So see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Hey y'all, I made it to my mom's house safe and sound. I've been here for a little bit, but I was kind of tired when I got here. So the first thing I did, greeted my boys, put the dog up, well, let the dog out, and then put her up. I wanted to make sure their bags were repacked for tomorrow when we go to the beach. So now I'm like officially tired and I need to take a shower and stuff. So I think I'll introduce you to them tomorrow. We'll talk a little bit more then. My oldest one is on probably Fortnite right now, if you hear him in the background. But we'll talk some more tomorrow, guys. But yeah, I'm sleepy. I'm about to get some rest. Bye. It is morning time again. Boys are up. We're about to load in a car. I'm running a little bit behind. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm wearing. It's another one of my, what I call my riding dresses, because it's very comfortable. The unfortunate thing is my father wants to get directly on this boat as soon as we get there. So I guess this is appropriate. I'm going to change into my hiking sandals so that, you know, I have some kind of grip support on the boat. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And one moment and you'll meet my kids. Okay? Bye. Hi. Trying to show y'all real quick. I gotta figure out these camera settings because the light is like drowning out my pictures right now. But I brought a bag of snacks for them and for me. But what I did was I packed all my fruit that was about to go bad, well, before it went bad, out of my fridge as road snacks for me, because I'm trying to not necessarily continue. I've been losing weight, but I don't want to diet or whatever, calorie restrict while I'm on this trip. I'm just trying to be smart about these little in between, you know, food choices. So it's just grapes and cherries in here, and we're supposed to eat when we get there, have lunch. It's like 10:39 now. We get there at 11. This still says about 11:54. So I'm having this with water, and I brought myself some really good protein shakes. I'll show them to you guys later. They're really the only ones pre-made that I buy because they're low carb and low sugar. I'll show them later. But yeah, I'm trying to do right in between, so that way when we go to the restaurants, I won't say I'll like go all in, but I'll be able to get pretty much what I want. So we're here at the marina waiting on my dad and sisters. And and they're putting on, look at this. Really? They're putting on sunscreen, which I'm about to do too. But we're waiting on them so we can, I guess, get to the boat. I don't know much about this process. So it wasn't too bad of a drive. There wasn't no traffic, but I'm not much of a driver, so of course I got sleepy. But we went pretty much straight through before we stopped at the gas station. So yeah, once everybody gets here, I'll tune back in. Any words? You scared of the boat? Are you scared of the boat in general, or are you scared of Papa driving the boat?
I'm scared of Papa.
Why?
Because usually when he driving stuff, he's like driving crazy. Like when we were on the thing, he said he went 10 miles per hour, but it was going fast, like faster than you're supposed to in the neighborhood.
What about you, Juju?
I'm not scared.
Juju, you got way too. You need to rub that in. What are you doing? Rub it. Take some and put it on your legs, please. Come on, honey. These kids. This one's all the way loose.
Okay, I put the ISO to 5,000.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Yeah, so I hope that's good. I can't really tell because it's so bright.
Much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, wait.
I don't know if it's recording.
Thank you. That's Kari.
Hey.
Hi. That's Sarah, my sister. Hello. That's my child. Y'all already know him. That's my dad driving. That's my other sister, Joe. And that's Joseph. Jessica. Oh, thank you, Kari.
Yeah, you're welcome. I think you can change it. I think I just change it. Okay, good.
Oh,
so,
cool.
Yeah.
What you gonna eat?
I'm just buying one.
What you gonna eat?
I'm finna eat some salmon, fish, or other stuff.
Salmon?
Or fish and other stuff.
You?
I'm gonna eat a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger?
I think I'm gonna get grilled mahi sandwich.
Grilled mahi?
Hey!
But I don't have service, so I won't get chocolate.
Oh!
I think we get a shrimp po' boy.
I don't know what I want. I mean, the buffalo shrimp sounds good, though.
Is this buffalo shrimp?
Half buffalo, half shrimp.
Do you even eat one? No. Eat one. Yeah, she's good.
Mahi.
Mahi? Okay, y'all, so it's the next day and I'm just showing you my little outfit. We already got up and ate breakfast. We were exhausted from that boat ride, so I'll stop and tell y'all a little bit more about it in a little bit, but I just want to show you what I'm wearing today. So today is Father's Day. We're going to the beach. I think we're gonna play volleyball, so I do have my little ugly little slip resistant sandals, beach sandals on. Seems like our dad just really wants to be at the beach. It's also my brother-in-law's birthday, so we're gonna kind of play it by ear, but we're trying to figure out what the plan is. We're definitely going to the beach right now. So I'm gonna take my camera. I don't know how the sound quality is gonna be because I'm not gonna take this external mic. It's just too much sand, too much water. I don't have a cover on it, that type of thing. I hope y'all can see me clearly. Is that clear? But yeah, so, oh, and let me show y'all the hotel, but we were so tired after that boat ride. Oh my gosh, our luggage room. There was like a lot of bunny rabbits out here this morning, which was really cute. There's the beach, y'all. It's really hot. It's just around lunchtime, so.
It's cool.
Okay. Jaden is playing with sunscreen.
Yes, stop!
This is my life with two boys, pretty much. Him everywhere. There's my brother-in-law. And the kids are out there with my sisters. I just hope they don't go too far out in the beach, in the water, I should say.
Rainy.
It's like,
Yeah.
what is going on with my, okay, so she's doing the Reaper. Wait,
Trying it first without the Reaper sauce, so I know what it tastes like.
Non-Reaper sauce.
is that hot buffalo? Just
It's like a little spicy.
What would it be in Finnish?
What sauce is that?
Spicy.
that's the Reaper.
You mean dip it more?
So that's Reaper now.
That's the Reaper sauce.
Let it sink in. Sometimes it takes a minute to hit.
Maybe it takes
Is it hot? Oh, this is Miss Daredevil herself, so
Or I don't know.
it's sinking in.
No.
Now if your nose starts snotting, then we know it's a fish. Is it hot?
She has so much sauce.
Do you need milk? Don't try to be a hero.
It's alright.
No, do more than that.
I'm not trying to burn my face.
There you go.
I got some Coke on my Joe. So if you want.
I got
We have
hiccups.
some small plates.
Yeah, for sure.
Want Coke?
Is it good? Oh. Did it kick in?
Yeah.
All right, then. You survived. Oh, this looks much better. See, I keep accidentally taking the auto settings off some kind of way, and it was lagging. Like I was filming and...
Then it's about the, it's too dark. So
yeah.
There's like choppy. Yeah.
This is the Camera Pro 2 right here. Thank you.
No, I've done the same thing. So it's both about the aperture and the shutter speed.
I'll add that to my learn list.
Gross when I said I didn't want the ice in my cup.
It's the card.
We already picked it out when you saw it.
I was like, that's so cool. I approve this card. Okay, so it says, I have a really bad feeling about this. And you know, it's long as the 80s. Just to let you know. For burrito. Whoa, oh yeah, the definitive collection. Yes, I'm a big Michael Jackson fan. Best CD player.
This is crazy person number 1, number 2, number 3, and the ringleader because I'm somebody's mom and I'm out here. We're going on a night walk on the beach.
And she just read a scary story. And it's dark out.
Yeah, it's very dark. So let's go. Because I didn't make to my morning walk. I don't know for sure. I wasn't too confident that I'll make it tomorrow morning. I don't know how much people can see on it.
These people are out. People are out.
Okay, do you have to be loud?
Oh yeah, there's people.
Okay, I heard you. Now, how close is the shoreline right now? Do not get too far ahead. Hey. I know, because they don't listen. Oh, they're probably looking for sand crabs. Yes.
You look up there, it looks like.
Would you stop flashing it at the game?
It looks like, ooh.
Come here. No cut-off dogs. No dog. No man-made holes left unfilled. So that can be taken a few different ways. You're my lighting person, so I need you to hold the light.
What is
Do y'all want me to read the scary story?
What is this?
It's singing.
Why does it feel like that?
So the tides are going into the ocean. So this has been covered with water for a good amount of time. Now it's drying out.
I'm scared because Jaden wants to put the camera in a different way.
Jaden.
See, no, Judah's complaining that I'm not pointing it to where he is. No, I'm not saying towards it. You're not pointing it at other places. So you want me to do this?
Jaden, stop.
See, I'm not telling you to do like. Judah, stop. Dang. Shut up. How about you?
Hey.
Like you're only pointing it in your people. Okay, I don't care.
Gosh. What do we hear? Oh, were you trying to see if there was a...
Yeah.
Oh, look. What is that?
Seashell.
Oh, no. It's what? No. You good? I've been drinking. Keep your minds on my bed. We be all night. We be all night. Cause then we went from I'm not touching the water to feet in water.
This is fun.
Jaden, you want this lighting? Jaden?
Can we walk
Okay.
that way for more people?
You know there might be little fish and crabs in there, right? I feel like on Blair Witch, weren't they all up their nostril? What?
I just saw someone move.
Might be a crab.
Oh, never mind. That was the shadow. I was putting the shadow in it. Yeah, that's the shadow. Okay, no. What is that?
Ew.
That's seaweed.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it is.
Sarah, what's this?
It looks like a beach worm. Yeah, I picked one up in the ocean. You did? Mm-hmm.
Is that, what is that?
Seaweed. You know how beach worms are there? Beach worms are.
That is. Oh, no.
Actually, touch it. Yeah, that's it. Touch it. That's seaweed. Touch it. No. Really? That's the seaweed you just threw. No, it's not. It's more.
Okay, you're gonna pick up something and it's gonna latch onto you and you're gonna turn into some kind of sea moss.
Is it sea glass?
Huh?
Is it sea glass? Yeah, that's sea glass. Yes. All this is sea glass? It's basically where glass goes into there, and it's like in the ocean and the sand, and then over a long period of time, with the waves pushing, it makes sea glass. That's where it gets its color. Yo, whoa! Yeah, that's what it gets its color from. It depends on the color of the glass. There's lots of sea glass. Yo, look at this.
You see?
Purple? Purple is the rarest sea glass. Yo, look, I'm keeping this. Okay, can we start walking? Who is that?
You didn't hear me go.
They scared.
Oh, cool.
What about sandworms? What is it? It's not purple. Drop it in. That's not purple.
Really?
Jaden told me to drop it in. Something like that. There was something crawling fast. There's nothing in my food.
Hi, guys.
Coming out. I'll see. Let's go.
All right. It's the last day. So anyway, we're about to check out now. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. We're about to check out now. Oh, FYI, you look right here. We had fun. We did the night walk last night, as y'all saw some of the footage from. It was a really short trip, but it was exciting because I got to see my sisters, my brother-in-law, and some other family haven't seen in a while. So how'd you like it, Jaden?
It was fun.
It was fun. It was fun. We had a little near-death experiences a couple of times on that boat, but it was fun. Juju, how did you like it? But anyway, so we're hitting the road back to Mom's house. We'll check back in with y'all in a little bit.
But darling, Mom, I just wanna take you home. Take me out the club, me out the trap. It's Vito, baby.
I told you they had the CNN Juneteenth special tonight, right? You got on the Charlie.
I'm not where I wanna be, but
Hey guys, so actually we made it back to my mom's house like the day before yesterday, but I was so tired. The beach and boating and the constant sun, it was fun, but it was like I needed a rest day. I didn't even pick up the camera at all, but we're back safe and sound. This is almost the end of the trip because I still got to go back to my home. So we're leaving later today, but it's no specific time to leave because I don't have to be back to work till tomorrow, and I have a doctor's appointment for my son as long as we get back sometime today. But we're about to actually watch a movie because with all of this ocean, visiting the beach, the time frame that I'm filming that is during the unfortunate situation with the submersible that's missing, that ocean gate. And I'm truly fascinated by the sea. Like, I have a huge respect for it. It's a mystery. It's one of the most powerful, like, undiscovered territories to me that is like right under our noses, but it's so much we don't know about it. So I've been like following that, and then my sister told me about this movie called The Meg about a megalodon. It's with Jason Statham. I had never heard of it, so we're about to watch that real quick because I'm just all in this ocean mystery mode right now. But prayers to those on that submersible. I don't care how you feel about the logic behind them going down there. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. It's got to be terrifying if they're still alive. If they're not, it's almost merciful if they're not, considering that they probably won't survive at this point in time. You never know, but if they were doomed to not survive, I kind of hope they were already gone and it was quick. I'm not gonna get into details of that, but oh, and I have a little visitor. You see this little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer I got going on here? I'm going off on a tangent, but in my mind, ocean water is so cleansing, and being at the beach and stuff, it pulls a lot of toxins out. It helps with skin a lot. if you've seen in my old videos, I have like psoriasis, eczema. I do suffer from hormonal acne that I've actually gotten under pretty good control at this point. So when I feel like the beach kind of pulls out the little extra stuff that's at the surface, so I'm not too mad about it, but I hate that it's like right here. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera. Anyway, let me go watch this movie. I'll check back in with you guys again. Toodles.
He's getting, right? Copy that.
10 meters, approaching boundary.
Hovering at 5 meters.
Jax.
Good to go.
Doc.
Will explode. Approach the capsule.
Gonna go hatch to hatch.
Not a chain.
Cell camera showing severe hatch damage. We have to try something. There's 6.
No way.
We can't handle this.
Not 11,000 meters here.
1,000 meters. At some point, it just becomes enough.
That's how many people have actually attempted a rescue below 10,000 meters. Just talk about it. 1 minute.
This is a crazy conversation considering what's going on right now. Alright y'all, so the movie was pretty good. I actually really enjoyed it. The Meg. Apparently there's supposed to be a part 2. Don't know if it's out yet or if it's in the making. But it had John, is that his name? John Statham. You know who I'm talking about? Kind of balding dude. Yeah, Jonathan Statham was in it. And I don't really know the other people's names. Some of them look familiar, but it was good. So now we're about to do the last leg of our trip and head back to home base for real. But it's like it started pouring down raining, so we in for a rainy ride. But actually that keeps me up and alert as long as it's not too chaotic. I actually don't mind driving in the rain. So I'll check back in with you guys for one last time before I wrap up this vlog. Oh, and share some details with you about my trip that I haven't had a chance to talk to you about yet, because between resting, recuperating, repacking, unpacking, all that good stuff, I just didn't have a time to recap my trip. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back with you. Last leg of the trip, I'm back at the home base. I don't know if I told y'all too. Remember I showed you the lamp that was broken? So look, my mother MacGyvered that thing back together. Do you see? I don't have a bulb in here. That's why that's not working. My new baby is back and full effects. She even showed me how to do this myself next time, kind of, sort of, somewhat, even though I don't trust myself. This one is the culprit that has been repaired. Hey, you. So anyway, we made it back. I didn't get to do a lot of health related things. I won't say I didn't get to do it. I was exhausted and I wanted to chill out and enjoy and kind of pace myself, and I was way too tired. So I think that this is just a reality check about expectations and scheduling, because this wasn't like a me trip. This was a family trip. It's kind of like we're doing things in groups. We ended up on my dad's boat way longer than expected. I don't know how many of you guys like boat or go out on boats that, you know, like during the summer, or just might be your regular thing, but it wears you out. And my dad was really gassing it on that boat. We had a couple of close encounters. It was a little bit on edge. Him in the crossways. Oh my gosh. And I rode on the front, which apparently takes more of the bumps. We had an encounter with I don't think it was a naval ship, but it was one of those, so my dad says, and I believe him because he is a retired military colonel, but he said it was one of those like special ops ships, probably working on something that really, you know, nobody's supposed to know what it is. It wasn't identified on the side by USS anything, but you could tell it was clearly government operated, and it had like a patrol ship in the front with like police lights on it. And my dad pulls up because, for one, he's lost and don't want to tell nobody. Pulls up to it and he like freezes like a deer in headlight, like he's gonna ask this guy for directions. I'm like, do you not see them taking a defensive in front of us? Like, don't come any further, like back up or get smacked up. Like, we will sink your boat in front of all these people in broad daylight. But my dad's like, reaction time. So needless to say, the boat was fun and in increments it was relaxing, but this boat is still new to him as far as being captaining his own ship, and some of his decisions I love you, Father. But anyway, so after all that, the next morning, which is when I planned my sunrise, you know, yoga or stretch on the beach and meditation, I was dead dog tired. Like, I even have a bruise. I don't know if you can see. You see that? That's from getting beat up on that boat, holding on for dear life. Point is, I had a wonderful weekend. We had fun. I enjoyed all my family. I enjoyed my mom's house. I enjoyed the kids, the dog, the family, everything. It was wonderful, but a little dangerous. So y'all, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm probably not gonna get everything unpacked. I'm gonna do a rough draft of my mental plan, like a rough draft of my week coming up. Do some editing. Gotta work tomorrow. Doctor's appointments. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. It'll get better. I'm really not an experienced vlogger, but I plan to get there. So stick with me. We'll do some more health related stuff in the upcoming vlogs. Love you guys. Good night. Sayonara. Goodbye. Adios.